Unboxing time. Let's see what's inside this packet. I've been waiting to try ByDesign from AppSumo. The box looks sleek, minimalistic, modern, and super inviting. Okay, opening it up. Anticipation is real right now. First impression, clean interface. Everything feels organized. This is the ByDesign customizable digital planner. It promises to organize both life and work with clarity. Perfect for productivity seekers, remote workers, even students. Let's dive into the setup. Super intuitive, no confusion. I'm customizing my dashboard. Drag and drop is smooth. Adding tasks, notes, and deadlines is surprisingly quick. I like how I can color code different projects easily. There are templates for daily, weekly, and monthly planning. Switching between views is seamless, no lag at all. Syncs across devices, so I'm always up to date. I'm loving the reminders, no more missed meetings. The interface is distraction-free, boosting my focus instantly. I tried scheduling my week. Everything is crystal clear. The planner adapts to my workflow, not the other way. I added study sessions and work tasks side by side. It's easy to set priorities and track progress visually. I appreciate the flexibility, custom sections for any need. Templates for goal setting and habit tracking are included. I can share plans with teammates or study groups. Collaboration features are simple but effective for remote work. I tried the search function. Finds anything in seconds. The dark mode is a nice touch for late nights. I customized my planner theme for a personal feel. Notifications are helpful, not overwhelming, just the right balance. I noticed my productivity improved after just one day. No more scattered notes or forgotten deadlines. Everything's here. Compared to paper planners, this is way more flexible. It's great for students managing classes and assignments. Remote workers can plan projects and meetings effortlessly. Productivity seekers will love the clarity and customization. The exclusive AppSumo deal makes it even more appealing. Honestly, it's rare to find this much value bundled. If you want less chaos and more clarity, try it. I highly recommend ByDesign for anyone needing better organization. Don't miss the deal. Check ByDesign on AppSumo today. Link is in the description. Grab your planner before it's gone. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. Stay productive.